Okay guys, now let's solve this problem regarding time and distance. If a person walks at 14 km per hour instead of 10 km per hour, he would have walked 20 km more. The actual distance traveled by him is. Now the problem related to this kind of thing that in this type of problem, there are same type of situations provided. For example, here they provide the situation of two different speed. But normally what we know, for the speed problems, there are three important things: distance, speed, and time. Now in all those different problems that we're going to see, that whether distance and speed is provided, we can get the time easily. Any two of them will be provided, and this third can be easily calculated using the formula. But in this video, you can see in this problem, only speed is provided, and both of them are speed. So two of same type is provided. Obviously, they should provide two important things. Now, in this case, both of these are speed, right? So how to calculate for this type of problem? Now, if they provide you this kind of problems having two same type of thing instead of two different types, you need to assume something. So in this case, we need to find the distance traveled, and we don't know the actual speed of the person, right? He walks at this speed and also at this speed, but these are not, it's never told that these are the speed of person. So we don't know the actual distance traveled by the person, right? So let's say the actual distance traveled by the person is thought to be or assumed to be x, right? So if this is x in this case, so what is going to be our choice? Now you all know that in this situation, so we can simply write it this way, that this is the actual distance traveled, right? So distance equals to, if you want to find the speed or say the time, the value of the time or speed. So distance equals to, we simply can write as or simply 1 minute. So we can simply write time equals to distance by speed, right? So we know that this thing is possible. The time equals to distance by speed, right? So in this case, if our actual distance we assume is as x, so the time in this case will be distance, which is x time, and speed is at 10 km per hour, so speed is 10, equals to, now similarly, if he walks at 14 km per hour speed, and in that case the distance will be, he will have walked 20 km more. So the distance when he travels normally at 40 km per hour is x, which is the actual distance traveled, plus the extra distance, which is 20 km traveled, right? So x plus 20. So now the distance will be x plus 20, and the speed is 14 km per hour. So the time here in this case will be by 14. So if this is the situation, then what is going to be the case? So 14x into 10x plus 200, that's going to be the situation. Now if we take in this part 4x equals to 200, and then the answer will be x equals to 50. So x equals to 50, and x in this case is the actual distance. Now the actual distance here is 50 km. No problem with the units because everything is in kilometer and kilometer per hour. So let's say here the answer A, or the option A, is the correct answer, right? So that's it.